Jai ShivShakti. You must have seen a lot of meditation videos online. There are a lot of libraries online, audio library, guided meditation. There are different kind of gurus and different kind of meditation masters available online. It's your choice. Whosoever you think so, you can pick up, you can subscribe, you can take the courses, start doing it, keep on doing it, put your time and efforts, and finally you say, I don't know, but yes, sometimes I feel that, sometimes I don't know what is happening, but I am just doing it as per the instruction given. I can't really connect with the information which has been floated, the guidance, the instructions in that. I'm not really connecting what they are saying. I'm not able to get the benefits I was expecting from this course, or lot of experiences I have gone through with the statements of the people who have contacted me through my videos, and they said they have less information and not a knowledge. So whatever the information you are getting, if you are converting that and mixing that with your personal experiences, that convert into a knowledge. And if you keep that knowledge with you, that will actually enhance the quality of your life. You will be improving your life in all the aspects. Your physical, mental, emotional, spiritual and relationship aspects. You will be the master of your life. You will integrate your body, mind and soul in such a manner that yes, you will not be in a position that nobody can harm you. Nobody means any kind of energy. Any negative energy, they will not catch you, they will not pick it up and take you down, they will not let you down. They won't be, because you are so strong, your aura is so strong, your chakras are so balanced that yes, you will think that I am a superhuman. And that is the feeling you are going to get once you are spiritually awakened, once you are actually energized within yourself, once your consciousness convert into a super consciousness power. So I was talking about meditations. You must have seen a lot of courses, but still you are not connected, and many people even can't explain the real meaning of meditation. I'm here, master of meditation, Sushil Sharma, also known as BRAHAMANAND. I can guide you well what to do, when to do, how much to do, and what you are expecting from meditation, how this is going to benefit you, and actually what are the ways you can do it, how many types of meditations are there, and you can actually improve the quality of your life by doing a meditation. Meditation is a miracle, actually a miracle. If you take it as a miracle remedy, I'm saying you will see wonders in your life. Definitely, I teach people around 10 types of meditations. So you can take my workshop and let you know, and I'll give you a guided meditation so that you can understand how we can do that. Age, race, doesn't matter at all. You can come, any gender, any age, any area, any region, any nation, all are welcome. I just need a zeal and the learning patterns and a will to enhance your skills. If you're a devotee, if you're available, if you would like to share, then I'm here to guide you. Don't worry at all. So yes, if you have any questions, let me know in this video's comment section. Give me the information that you would like to know, or you can DM me on the link given below so that we can start a workshop from the comfort of your home, and you don't need to step ahead outside to any centers looking for the information that you're looking in your life for meditations. So we can start the journey of miracles of meditation online by sitting at your home. Your smartphone can do very smart thing. You just need to operate it in a very smart manner. I know you are very smart. You cannot do this. So please subscribe and share this video so that we can start the journey of miracle of meditations with me online, with wellness healing world. Thank you so much for watching this video. Jai ShivShakti.